warm welcome and good morning to all. Respected Principal Father Agustin Pidigamala SJ, Vice Principal Lindo and SJ, beloved teachers and my dear friends. Today, as we all know, we celebrate International Yoga Day. Yoga is the harmony between man and nature, a holistic approach to health and well-being.
I, Jacob Alex and Alfonso Thomas from Class 12B, welcoming all of you to this assembly. Prayer is the easiest way of communication with us and God. So I invite Andres Rogi for a prayer song.
Deep within my heart I feel voices whispering to me, words that I can't understand, meanings I can't clearly hear, calling me to follow close, lest I leave myself behind, calling me to walk into evening shadows one more time. So I leave my boots behind, leave them on familiar shores, set my heart upon the deep, follow you again, my Lord. So I leave my boots behind, leave them on familiar shores, set my heart upon the deep, follow you again, my Lord.
Yoga embodies unity of mind and body, thought and action. To let you know more about yoga, here comes Matthew Thomas with a speech.
Good morning to one and all gathered here. Respected Principal, Vice Principal, beloved teachers and my dear friends. I, Matthew Thomas of Class 12B is here to present today's speech. Before going ahead, I would like to extend a warm welcome to every person present over here. First of all, I want to thank all of you for inviting me and giving me this opportunity to share my thoughts on the topic of yoga. Yoga is the journey of discovering the self. It is an ancient and beautiful practice of India that is linked to all aspects, namely physical, spiritual, and mental. It calms and relaxes your body and soul. It helps you to stay fit and healthy. Practicing yoga has a bundle of benefits linked to it. In India, to make the culture and tradition of yoga alive, the International Yoga Day is celebrated every year on 21st June. It is not just a physical exercise where the person twists, turns, stretches and breathes, but is only a complex exercise linked to the betterment of the overall metabolism of the humans. By mastering postures of yoga, you can develop a healthy mind, soul and a beautiful heart. The various techniques of yoga help the yogi to calm the mind and increases the focus and concentration power. It builds the energy to work and stay alive all day long. Yoga helps in achieving clarity in life and self-awareness as well. Yoga and meditation are so helpful in removing various bad habits like smoking and drinking. Yoga can be seen as a single medicine or cure to many diseases. Yoga is also a self-healing practice. It helps in the better circulation of the blood and reduces disease. Yoga is a holistic approach. It uses various postures, exercise, mantras, and meditation that enhances the thoughts and changes the mindset of the person adopting it. Due to various qualities linked to yoga, it is increasingly becoming popular. The youth of today in India and worldwide are eager to learn and adopt yoga as compared to other methods of exercising. Adopt yoga and feel the calmness, happiness and relaxation that you are searching for in this stressful life. Let me conclude with what is said in Bhagavad Gita. Yoga is the journey of the self, through the self and to the self. Much thank you to all of you. Have a great day.
Music is one of the most calming things if you let it to be. So we proudly invite Parthiv Krishna to let us into the world of music.
Thank you, Parthiv, the one who gives us immense support and guides us to the right path. Our dearest class teacher, Jojo sir. Sir, we welcome you for your valuable words.
ഏറ്റവും ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട സ്കൂൾ പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ ഫാദർ അഗസ്റ്റിൻ പേടിക്കമല എസ്, വൈസ് പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ ഫാദർ ലിൻഡോ ആൻഡോ എസ്, അധ്യാപകരെ, പ്രിയ വിദ്യാർത്ഥികൾ. ജീവിതത്തിൽ ഏറ്റവും നല്ല നിമിഷങ്ങൾ ഉണ്ടാവുന്നത് എപ്പോഴാണ് എന്ന് നാം ചിന്തിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഒരുപക്ഷെ നമ്മളങ്ങനെ ചിന്തിച്ചപ്പോഴൊക്കെ നമുക്ക് ലഭിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത് വ്യത്യസ്തങ്ങളായ ഉത്തരങ്ങളായിരിക്കും. ഇതിനെപ്പറ്റി ചിന്തിച്ചവർ നമുക്ക് നൽകിയിരിക്കുന്ന ഉത്തരങ്ങൾ ഒരുപക്ഷെ നമ്മൾ അത്ഭുതപ്പെടുത്തിയേക്കാം. ചിന്തിച്ചവർ പറയുന്നത് ജീവിതത്തിൽ ഏറ്റവും നല്ല നിമിഷങ്ങൾ ഉണ്ടാവുന്നത് നാം വളരെയധികം അസ്വസ്ഥരും അസന്തുഷ്ടരുമായി കഴിയുമ്പോഴാണെന്നാണ്. കാരണം അപ്പോഴാണ് പുതിയ ആശയങ്ങളും വഴികളും തേടാനുള്ള ആഗ്രഹങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇന്ധനം ലഭിക്കുക. ഈ ഒരു ആശയം വളരെ ശരിയാണെന്ന് ഈ ഒരു കാലഘട്ടത്തിലൂടെ കടന്നു പോകുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവുകയും ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. വിദ്യാഭ്യാസത്തിൻ്റെ പുതിയ കാലത്തിലെ വെല്ലുവിളികൾ ഏറ്റെടുക്കാനും ദശാബ്ദങ്ങൾ കഴിഞ്ഞു മാത്രം ഉണ്ടാകുമായിരുന്ന നല്ല മാറ്റങ്ങൾ നേരത്തെ കൊണ്ടുവരാനും നമുക്ക് സാധിച്ചത് അതുകൊണ്ടാണ്. ഏത് സന്ദർഭങ്ങളും സാഹചര്യങ്ങളും അനുഗ്രഹങ്ങളായിട്ട് മാറും എന്ന് നമുക്കറിയാം. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ഈ ഒരു കാലഘട്ടവും ജീവിതത്തിൽ ഒത്തിരി നല്ല നിമിഷങ്ങൾ നമുക്ക് സമ്മാനിക്കട്ടെ എന്ന് ആശംസിക്കുന്നു. അതുവരെ എല്ലാവരും സന്തോഷത്തോടെ ഇരിക്കുക, സുരക്ഷിതരായിരിക്കുക. നന്ദി.
Thank you, sir. It's a matter of great pleasure and honor to invite our principal, Father Agustin Pidigamala SJ, to give his valuable message.
Dear students, there are a few students who feel that they are not able to reach the target at the time of exams. You may work hard, but you may not be able to reach anywhere close to your target. The main reason for this would be that you haven't set a goal in your life. First, consider what you want to achieve and then commit to it. Set smart goals. S for specific, M for measurable, A for attainable, R for relevant, and T for time bound. The process of setting goals help you to choose where you want to go in life. Know what you want to achieve and concentrate on your efforts. Spot the distractions. Maybe it's your mobile. Maybe it's mobile games. Maybe YouTube videos or movies. When you set a goal, you will be able to recognize your own abilities and you can make the most of your life. Thank you. Have a nice day. May God bless you all.
Thank you, Father. We Sincerely thanking you all for lending your ears and your kind cooperation towards us. It's me, Alfonso Thomas and Jacob Alex, signing off from today's assembly by School Anthem. Thank you.
Look, behold, the far off hills, I do see my guiding light shining. The east it fills, drawing me to radiance bright. Sing along, children of Ekijayam, loudly proclaim how you are gem. All your virtues, each of them, adorn the alma mater diadem. As I hear the echoes ring from high peaks to valleys low, let my heart her motto sing. Lead me on your kindly glow.